Are you ready to transform your body in just 4 weeks? Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose fat, or improve your overall fitness, the right exercises can make all the difference. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 most effective exercises that will help you sculpt your dream physique. No matter your fitness level, these exercises will challenge your body and deliver impressive results. No one. Squats, often referred as the king of all exercises. Squats target multiple muscle groups, including your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Not only do they build lower body strength, but they also improve mobility and stability. To perform a proper squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keep your back straight, and lower yourself as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. If you want to increase the challenge, try adding weights or resistance bands. No 2. Push-ups, a classic exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. They help build upper body strength while engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. To do a proper push-up, start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Keep your body straight as you lower yourself until your chest almost touches the floor, then push back up. Beginners can start with knee push-ups, while advanced individuals can try diamond push-ups, decline push-ups, or explosive push-ups. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. No 3. Planks. If you want a stronger core and improved posture, planks are a must. Unlike crunches, which only target specific muscles, planks engage your entire core, including your abs, obliques, and lower back. To do a plank, get into a forearm position with your elbows aligned under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. If you want to increase intensity, try side planks, plank with leg lifts, or moving planks. Planks may look simple, but they're highly effective in strengthening your core and enhancing endurance. No 4. Lunges. Lunges are a powerful lower body exercise that enhances strength, stability, and coordination. They target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. To perform a lunge, step forward with one foot, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push back to the starting position and repeat on the other side. You can do forward lunges, reverse lunges, or even walking lunges to add variety. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. If you want to intensify the exercise, hold dumbbells in each hand while lunging. No 5. Burpees. If you're looking for an exercise that torches calories and builds strength at the same time, burpees are the answer. This full-body movement combines squats, push-ups, and jumps, making it a powerful cardio and strength training workout. To do a burpee, start in a standing position, drop into a squat, place your hands on the floor, jump back into a plank, do a push-up, jump forward, and leap explosively into the air. It may sound intense, but it's one of the most effective exercises for fat loss and endurance. Try doing 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. And there you have it, the top 5 exercises that can transform your body in just 4 weeks. By incorporating these movements into your workout routine, you'll build strength, improve endurance, and see incredible changes in your physique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.